Premier League footballer with the name that most sounds like food.
Go on.
Peter Odem Chicken Wingy. Thomas Parsley.
Can't think of any footballers. My mind's gone entirely blank. Oh.
Yaps Ham.
Cold palm oil free peanut butter. You're welcome. I don't think anyone was expecting that.
Say it one more time. Cold palm oil free peanut butter. Wow. Wow. Well, you go for Declan Rice. You could even add a little pizzazz rice pudding. Rob green salad. Carlton coleslaw.
The thing is, you haven't put yourself on the spot though.
No, I haven't. I'm thinking about these now, I promise you.
No, I'm done. I can't think
Sir Boz fries. No, that's not as good.
Dan
Bun.
burnt toast. Dan bun is great. I think I prefer Dan burnt.
You're going too hard. You're trying too hard with it. Oh, Jesus. Nick Pop.
Fucking hell. Oh my god.
Ah, dearie
Wow.
me. Come on, man.
Wow.
Come on.
Noni Madu Eggy bread.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Alright, we'll settle on that one.
Right, okay.